In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to redeem a Twitch gift card. If you've received a Twitch gift card and you're not sure what to do next, don't worry. The process is very simple, and it only takes a moment once you have the card code ready. Before you begin, make sure you're signed in to the correct Twitch account because the value of the card will be added directly to that account's Twitch wallet. To get started, open your web browser and go to twitch.tv/redeem. This is the official Twitch redemption page where you can apply your gift card balance safely. It's always a good idea to double check the website address before entering any code just to make sure you're on the real Twitch site. Once you're on the redeem page, find the field where you can enter your gift card code. Carefully type in the code exactly as it appears on the card or in the digital gift card message. Take your time here because even a small typo, such as a missing character or an extra space, can prevent the code from being accepted. If you copied the code from an email or message, make sure there are no accidental spaces before or after it when you paste it in. After the code is entered correctly, click the Redeem button. Twitch will then verify the code and apply the gift card value to your account. If everything goes through successfully, the balance from the gift card will be added to your Twitch wallet. That means the funds are now available in your account and can be used for eligible purchases on Twitch, depending on your region and account settings. If the redemption doesn't work right away, first check the code again for any typing mistakes. Also make sure the card hasn't already been redeemed on another account. And that's it. To redeem a Twitch gift card, go to twitch.tv/redeem, enter the gift card code, click redeem, and the balance will be added to your Twitch wallet. It's a quick and straightforward process, and once it's done, your funds are ready to use from your account.